Hi tubers, welcome back. This is My Hair Speaks, and today I'm just going to do a great look for my client, and I'm just going to show you all the products that I use, so stay tuned.
Yeah, so they got swag, see rockin' Phineas on the boost. Steam on the ride, till I'm at cool. She wanna get up.
I need your mixing bowl and brush, Color Charm T14, clamps, gloves. Don't forget your 20 developer. Okay, so with the Color Charm T14, I pour the entire bottle in the mixing bowl, and I also pour my 20 developer in the bottle. I fill it to the top twice, and I pour it in the bowl. And after I do that, I mix it, and it should give you like a thick density. Just pay attention, and you will see what I'm talking about. So it should look something like this. So before I start putting the products on the hair, I like to section my hair off in 5, so I won't deal with a lot of hair at one time, and so I can get every blonde hair that's on the wig. This is how I section hair off in 5 when I'm dyeing a wig. First put the products on your hair, it's clear and you really can't see anything, but just keep going because it will start changing and you will see gray. Do not get worried that the hair is getting darker. It's just processing, and just keep going. Even if it get darker than the color is showing now, just keep going till you finish the whole head. Starting with the frontal, you want to make sure that you get the roots. I was mostly aiming for the roots because I didn't want any of the roots to be blonde. So I started on the roots and then I go down on the hair. This is how your hair should look after you finish putting the products on the hair. I was running a little low at the end, so I'm just flipping the hair over and massaging it into the hair. But if you have like 24 inches or over, I recommend you to get 5 bottles. I had 4, so I recommend you to get 5 bottles and just make sure you massage the hair into the other hair until you feel like all of the hair is covered. I also let the product sit on the blonde hair for 30 minutes and then I washed it out. This is how the hair looked after it was washed. It is wet, so I am pleased with the color. I really love it and my client really love it. So just stay tuned. The next clip you will see how I look on my client. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.